If you've ever tried to build your company AI or AI chatbot, you know it can be a difficult and often laborious process that doesn't quite nail the desired outcome. But now I can tell you that you don't need to hire an agency to build your company AI and chatbot. You just need an AI. Your mobile website has 15 AI chatbots that can all be managed in your all-new WebMind, which is the mind or the control room of your new company AI. In WebMind, you can give your AI multiple role-based personas. This could be key departments like sales or customer service, and of course, key staff members. Now you can even add customer avatars so that your AI knows exactly who it's talking to. Increase your website's conversions by defining your AI's mission, whether it's to guide visitors to key pages or offer promos and call to actions, and of course, completely replace old school web forms, because your mobile form builder, your online shop, and CRM integrations are prominently integrated inside your chatbots to quite simply change the game when it comes to website conversions. Let your customers flip between your AI personas to be guided down desired conversion paths without ever being restricted by traditional AI chatbot flows, which are unnecessarily complex and require pointless ongoing modifications. With mobile AI chatbot, it all just works. It's not one of those annoying, invasive pop-ups that hovers in the bottom right of your screen. With an AI website, your AI is your website. You can manage your vector knowledge base by showing exactly which content your AI should be trained on, and even deploy your AI into your social messages, safe in the knowledge that they're always up to date with your latest content and promotions. For a bit of secret sauce, Mobile's AI agency retainer customers can even have the mobile developers use our API bots to pull data from your in-house software applications, or even set up voice bots for text-to-speech, just like how I've done with my own virtual Paul that now answers my customers' queries. Mobile 3 AI website is here, and the release includes AI chatbots, AI content, AI images, and of course WebMind. It's now available for just $199 and anyone can do it, and you can learn it all for free in our 5-day challenge, where you can even transform your career and become the AI manager. You don't need to hire an agency to make your AI and AI chatbots. You just need an AI. You can go to WebMind now, add your first AI persona, customize your first AI chatbots, and add your AI chatbots anywhere